welcome to the YouTube channel. Zipri. Yeah, so I do want to vlog. I'll show you guys my little weed farm, you see me? Yeah, the green stuff. Yeah, you may have the first two on my plant. Yeah, I have next two out here, them just bust out. Them upcoming. Yeah. So when I identify none as male or female, because them not reach the stage. That's it. But stay tuned for the next video. We'll show you them, tell you the difference, which one a male, which one a female. So yeah, that's it for the vlog, guys. It's a little mini one. So as me say, stay tuned for the next one. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, comment. Zipri. Man. Yo.